Hello awesome peppers, in this video I will explain that how you can solve this problem in simple steps and I will show you live proof in last, so please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, it's a bug that's creating nonsense problem. I will explain how you can off this bug. Now simply go to setting. Now click on general. Now follow all the steps. Now click on go to general. Now go to date and time. Now simply set automatically. Now set 29 October 2020. Now I will show you live proof. Now go to back. Now I will show you live proof. Now see, if you like my content, then click like, subscribe and bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.